What is life? Life is sunshine, is health, is color, is safety. Whether beautiful or not only the poetry and far away, but also the appearance of the things surrounding us. A whiz of sunlight, evoking the inspiration of life. We have converted the sunlight into the warmth, the delightful cool, the coziness and the comfort of our home. We have made the sunlight as an element of home. At the beginning of house designing stage, have considered the perfect merge of the architecture and solar energy. They're harmonious with nature. Using sunlight to witness the quality of the water heaters, to witness the all-weather satisfaction, to witness the house brought by living water. These are the life temperatures we have experienced. Health is the safeguard of the well-being of life. We wish to take good care of our health. Wish to give care to illness. Even a small piece of pill also place our hopes for recovering and trust the brand. We believe that one piece of Ejiao not only inherits centuries traditional process, but also brings us precious tonic extracted from nature. This is the healthy life we have, and the health feeling we feel. Glass work brings us safety and health. One piece of glass tray, one piece of heat-resistant glassware, not only shows the fresh color of food, but also withstands the risk from high temperature, impact, and temperature change. Each pharmaceutical glass ampule and vial stores the important elements our health depends on. This is a life safety we trust. Glittering and translucent, carved electrical illuminate glass, together with photovoltaic products, lit up the city life, illuminate the road ahead. Colors form a colorful world, but also become a green environmental protection of life. Whether it is the bright color of coral grit, or the thick ink and strong coloring of antique buildings, all from every little bit strive for perfection. Pursuit of excellence in every little bit. This is the wonderful life we live with. Its unforgettable and refreshing taste, derived from the contribution of fine chemical to our life. Our needs for food antiseptic, preservation, and antioxidation, the same importance as our needs for delicacy. The variety of delicacies of environmental friendly, green healthy. That is the lifestyle we're intoxicated. Solar power stations are scattered here and there, greeting the sunshine each day. Converting the sunshine into clean energy opens up one new era. Drive the development of new energy model city. Benefit millions households and industries. helping raise living standards of the residents in poor, remote, and rural areas. This is the steady stream power of our life. Only if we insist innovation, then have the possibility to open up a brand new future life. By the innovation, now those pleasant surprises possibly happen once in life. Not the existence can be achieved overnight, but all go through grinding, refinement, fine workmanship, craftsmanship. With strength and keeps promise with heart. Linuo. The next stage goal for us to strive for is the new form modernizations to create the beauty of the future life together